Hey there, everybody. Today is March 29th. Wow, what a month. Um, Tonight and tomorrow night are looking like some low temperatures, something that's not necessarily great for some of the plants that we would be digging up and sending out to folks. But warm temperatures are coming soon, and so hopefully this weekend we can get some of those shipments out to folks. So if that's you, soon. We'll be shipping them out soon. You'll receive shipping confirmations and tracking numbers and all sorts of jazz like that as soon as it happens. And when we are digging up and potting, or not potting, but prepping everything for shipping, we'll do a little shot of what we're doing. But in the meantime, one of the things that's going on this fine day is buttoning up the hoop house, and I'll show you guys that in a moment. And in cleaning up that, which has kind of been a catch-all over the winter, found some more plants. And oh my gosh, the neglect I have shown them. Dividends. Paying dividends. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, when I tell you that I neglected this and I buried it way deeper than I ought to have, I am being serious here. But just to give kind of a full idea, this is all the root. Totally neglected over winter. I totally forgot to stick it in a warm corner or under the second sheet of plastic that's kind of the hoop house in the hoop house. This guy is a big mamma jamma. I'm pretty sure these are Prunus virginianums. I have a few others that I found in these pots, and so I've potted them up. We're getting trays and pots for spring cuttings ready and going through. But I think I'm going to take these two kind of ugly looking shooty guys. This is the other one. Look at that. Look at that. Just that above ground, but massive. And all of those that I can see, huge feeder roots. And you can see just how down to the tiny details they get. It's craziness. So I think these two are going to be planted over back over where the tree fell, and we'll pot up a few and bring those to the farmers markets this year and kind of watch their progress, see how they go. And yeah, let me take you over to the hoop house. So I've stuck some plastic. I thought I measured well. I measured just enough that it closes, but not great. So those may become row cover for some smaller rows. But inside, I've still got this spare door frame, and that may be what we end up using on that end. But I've taken up almost everything that was on this side here, consolidated everything, and buttoned up this end as well. It's super easy, just a couple of binder clips, fold over flaps, but this is working great. It's 35-ish degrees warmer in here now than it was a few days ago when I hadn't done this yet. Still a few. I can see a small cut here, but looking at where all of the snow was, you can see the bend in the welded wire here, and this end came off of the piece of screw and 2x that is holding it in place. But besides those two events, this is held up remarkably well. There are just a few little pokes and holes, and that is partly, I think, because of the tree that fell. You might be able to see the house through here. It's tough, but it's there. And the tree was pretty much right up there. So, it's probably some of that. We have plants waking up. The Nanking cherries are starting to push their blossoms out. We have a few of the willows that I've been harvesting cuttings and things from. They're waking up. And then spireas and the clethras, all of the things. They're just, they're waking up little by little because they are in this nice protected space. Still no germination on the 2 trays that we just moved in here. But I'm thinking that I may, since they've had all winter, I may take the ones way down there and bring them up and just kind of lay them out on this side and let them do their thing for a little while and keep waking up. But yeah, just a quick little update for you guys. I should have buttoned this up sooner. What a difference this would have made. But I will admit that over the winter this kind of became a catch-all for gardening supplies and things, and I don't know if I'm alone in that or if you guys do. Feel free to leave a comment telling me whether or not you're way more productive with your overwinter gardening space than I am. Still working on clearing out some of the wood debris, but we've made a good chunk of progress, and there'll be more getting moved out as we anticipate the roofer that we should see on Friday coming through. So we want to have some cleared areas for him to do his thing and get us an estimate of what needs to get done. But yeah, till next time, everybody, I'm gonna get back to it. So thanks for watching, and happy planting.